guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all some of the most affordable yet amazing facial kits here in India. Now when you go out to get a facial done, when you go to a salon, it will cost you anywhere around 1000 to 2000 rupees minimum. Like it starts from 1000 rupees, and when you get a facial from a good brand or from a good salon, it's going to go up to 1500, 2000, 2500. It really varies. And even if you call your parlor lady at home, she's still going to charge 1000 rupees or 1200 rupees for a good branded facial. But what if I told you that you can get a facial done at home, at the comfort of your home, without leaving your house, and from a really good brand under rupees 500? Yes, you heard that right. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all brands like VLCC, Mama Earth, O3 Plus, Lotus, that have really good facial kits under rupees 500. And the best part is that they're all tried and tested by me, and the results that they give are mind-blowing. I have tried and tested all of these facial kits, and they've made my skin so much smoother, so much softer, and on the top, so glowing. So if you want to know which are these facial kits, then please keep on watching. Before I share them with you all, I just want to mention that they are all available on Amazon at a really good discount. They are under rupees 500, and on top of that, Amazon is giving really good discounts on all of these facial kits. So if you want to purchase them, make sure you get them from Amazon from the links mentioned in the description box below. And with all that being said, let's quickly dive into today's video. The first facial kit that I have is from O3 Plus. This is what it looks like, and this is their Sea White facial, which is a brightening kit. It's a single use kit, which means that you can only use it once, and this is priced at rupees 560, but on Amazon it's available under rupees 500. Now this is specially formulated if you have sensitive or acne prone skin, because this is so gentle on your skin and this will not cause acne. Now this mask has 4 steps. The first one is a cleanser, which you can use to clean your face. The second one is a microdermabrasion, which is nothing but a scrub, but it's much gentler than a scrub. It's got these very fine micro particles which are very soft, and they help to exfoliate your skin very gently. This is one of the reasons why it's suitable for sensitive skin, because otherwise all of the other facial kits, they have scrubs like physical exfoliators, which can feel harsh for sensitive skin, but microdermabrasion is like really gentle for the skin. Thirdly, it's got this cream which you can use to massage your skin in gentle circular motions for like 10 to 12 minutes, which leads to blood circulation, improved glow on your skin, and it just makes your skin very smooth and hydrated. And the fourth, the most important step, my favorite step, is the mask. Now this has this mold mask. A mold mask is like a regular mask which you can just apply on your skin like that, and once it dries, it turns into a mold, which then you need to take off like that. You need to peel it off like that, but it's not like a peel off mask which feels painful. It's like a mold, so it comes off really easily, like just in like 10 seconds it comes off really easily, painless, and it feels very satisfying. Like the entire process feels very satisfying, and this is specially formulated for sensitive skin. And even if you have acne breakouts on your skin, this will still suit you, because it's a very gentle kit. And once you do your facial with this, it's gonna lead to so much brighter skin. It makes my skin very much bright, very much smooth, and I really love the results of this. So I usually get this facial done especially before like a special occasion or something, when I have to attend somebody else's wedding, when I'm going to be a wedding guest. That is when I do this facial, and it really helps to brighten up my skin and make it so much smoother and softer. So this you can do at home, at the comfort of your home. You can do this on your own under rupees 500. You'll find this on Amazon. Alright, the second facial kit that I have is this Mama Earth Rice Facial Kit. Now this contains 6 steps. So it's got this cleansing milk that you need to apply first to clean your face. Then it's got the face scrub, which comes in the form of a gel, so it's like really gentle for your skin. Thirdly, it's got the soothing gel, which feels so calm, so soothing, and so relaxing on your skin. And you need to keep it for just like 1 to 2 minutes, and then remove it off. Then it's got the massage cream, which you can use for a good 5 to 10 minutes to give yourself that massage in order to make your skin more bright, more fresh, more glowing, more hydrated. Then it's got the rice mask. Now this is like a face pack. It's like a clay pack that you can use. It helps to pull out all the impurities from your skin and detoxifies your skin. And lastly, it's got the glow cream, which just adds this beautiful glow on your skin. एक तो पूरे facial करने से ना skin पे already glow आ जाता है, and moreover the glow cream is like the cherry on top of the cake, which just boosts that glow like 2x. So I really like this facial kit. It's got 6 steps all in there, and it adds so much glow to the skin. And this has the goodness of rice water and niacinamide. This is more like a Korean facial kit, I would call it, semi-Korean facial kit. And it's suitable for oily skin, it's suitable for acne prone skin, and it's very, very gentle for the skin. It will really help to brighten up your skin. So this is again a really good facial kit, and when I use this, it did not cause any acne breakouts on my skin. So even if you have acne prone skin, it will still suit you. Alright, the third facial kit that I have is this Lotus Herbles Radiant Diamond Facial Kit. As you can see, all of the boxes are like worn and torn. I have used all of these facial kits at least once. These are all like one-time use facial kits, but for my face I feel like I can sort of use them twice, because पूरा bottle मैं use नहीं करती. I don't use the full tubes. I use half of it and sometimes 3/4 of it, but पूरा एक ही बार में I'm just not able to finish. So I use these one-time use kits twice, except for the O3+ one, because that contains the mold mask, which you can only use once. But apart from that, all of the other facial kits I use twice. This one retails for 399 rupees, which is a really good price point, and on Amazon you will find this at a really good discount. So this is one of those facial kits that you can literally do for your own family functions. If you have a very close relative or your brother, sister, best friend, anybody who's very close to you is getting married, and you want that extra glow, not just that regular glow but that extra glow, you can use this, because this really helps to make your skin shine like a diamond. So this has 4 steps in here. So it's got the cleansing scrub in there, which helps to clean your skin as well as scrub it both at the same time. Secondly, it's got the activator, which helps to prep your skin for the further process. The third step is to apply the massage cream. You need to apply it gently all over your skin, gently massage it in circular motions for about 10 to 12 minutes. The second step is the applicator. It helps to prep your skin for the third step. So once you apply the applicator, you're not supposed to wipe it off, you're not supposed to rinse it off. Second step के ऊपर ही आपको third step करना है, which is the massage cream, and you need to massage it on for about 10 to 12 minutes in gentle circular motion. It will help to boost blood circulation, it will help to hydrate your skin, and with the activator and the massage cream both combined, it's gonna give you much better results than any other regular massage cream. And the fourth step is a mask, which ensures to pull out all the impurities from your skin and detoxifies your skin, purifies your skin, and makes it really clean and glowing. So this is a really good facial kit. I love the fact that it's got this activator, which is a very unique step. It's not something that I've seen in most other facial kits, but that is the beauty of this one. So this is a really good facial kit, something that I would recommend for a very close event. If you have a very important event, this is really going to come handy for you. Alright, next up I have this VLCC Fruit Papaya Facial. This is what it looks like, and this is again a really good brightening facial kit. So if you have dull skin, or if your skin has tanned a lot after a vacation, you can use this. Papaya really helps to pull out all of the dullness and all of the sun tanning and makes your skin bright and fresh, and that's exactly what this facial kit also does. So this has a total of 5 steps. The first one is a cleanser and toner, which helps to deeply clean your skin and also minimizes your pores and makes your skin ready for the facial. The second step is the scrub, which helps to remove all the dead skin cells of your skin and makes your skin smooth. The third one is a gel, which helps to cool your skin, calm it down, and if the scrub has caused any irritation on your skin, the gel is going to help to soothe and calm it down. The fourth one is a cream, which you can use to massage your skin and help to hydrate your skin, boost blood circulation, boost glow on your skin. And the fifth one is the pack, which is the most important step, and this really helps to pull out all the dullness, all the sun tanning, everything, and leaves your skin feeling bright and fresh. So that is what this facial kit is good for. I recommend this like a post treatment rather than something that you do before an event. So suppose if you're going out for a vacation, and before the vacation you will obviously get a facial done, but this is something that you should do after the vacation to sort of repair the damage. This is not something that you need to prep your skin for an important event, but this is something that you can do to reverse the damage from your vacations, or whatever event that you had. So this is one of those facial kits, and it's a really good one. It really helps to brighten up your skin and removes all the dullness and sun tanning from your skin. Now another amazing facial kit that I have is this Mamaearth Optan facial kit. This contains the goodness of turmeric and saffron, which are known to remove dullness, to remove sun tanning and brighten up your skin. And Mamaearth का जो Optan range है ना, it feels like you're using natural products. आपको बिल्कुल भी feel नहीं होगा आपने कोई भी chemical based products लगाए, because the products just smell so natural, the texture is so natural, and they feel very natural on the skin. So that's something that I really love about Mamaearth Optan range. And this contains a total of 6 steps. The first one is the cleansing milk. The second one is a face scrub to remove the dead skin cells. The third one is a soothing gel to calm and soothe your skin down. The fourth one is a massage cream. The fifth one is a face mask, which is the most important step. इसका जो face mask है, Optan face mask, it really makes a difference on your skin. Like your skin will literally become 2 to 3 shades brighter once you use this facial. It is that good, and it gives you such amazing instant results. The sixth step is the glow cream, which just boosts your glow 2x. तो पूरा फेशियल करके तो ग्लो आने ही वाला है, एंड ग्लो क्रीम लगा के आपका जो ग्लो है वो डबल अप हो जाएगा. सो I really love this facial kit. I really love the fact that Mamaearth facial kits have this glow cream concept. Glow cream really helps to boost your glow like 2x. So that's something that I really love about Mamaearth facial kits. And Mamaearth ke facial kits are really good. I love the rice one. I love the Optan one. And this one is also really affordable. It only retails for $399, and on Amazon it's available at a much better deal. So I highly recommend you get this from Amazon. Alright, the last facial kit that I have in today's video is this Ozon Gold facial kit. It's an illuminous gold kit, and this one also gives you really good results. I already have a YouTube shorts video where I use this, where I demonstrated it. I'm gonna try and mention the link in the description box below for you all to check it out. The results that it gives are mind-blowing. So this contains a total of 6 steps, and first one is the tan takeoff cleanser, which helps to clean your skin really well. The second one is the regenerative scrub, which helps to exfoliate the dead skin cells of your face. The third one is the Lush Beauty Serum, which feels hydrating on the skin and preps your skin for the further process. The fourth one is the massage cream, which boosts blood circulation and hydrates your skin. Then we have the hydrating pack, and it's not your regular face pack which dries out your skin in the process. It's a hydrating pack. So when you apply the pack, it's not gonna leave your skin dry. It will pull off all the dirt and bacteria and impurities and excessive sebum, but it will not dry out your skin in the process. It leaves your skin feeling slightly hydrated. So that's something that I really like. And the sixth step in this is a sun shield lotion. So that's something that most of the other facial kits have missed. This contains a sun shield lotion, which is nothing but a sunscreen, and sunscreen is really important. Of course, you can use your own sunscreen, whatever you have at home. You don't need a separate sunscreen in a facial kit, but this provides you with that. And the sunscreen in this you can literally use for 3 uses. फेशियल किट तो आप 2 बार तक यूज़ कर ही सकते हो. इफ़ यू समबडी लाइक मी हु डजंट यूज़ अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, तो आप इसको 2 बार तक यूज़ कर सकते हो. बट जो इसमें सनस्क्रीन है, आप उसको 3 या 4 बार भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. So that's something that I really like. Now the results that I achieved with this were so good. It made my skin so much brighter, so much fresher, and I cannot tell you the glow that it added to my skin. Oh my god, you have to check out my YouTube shorts video to see what I'm talking about. And the best part about this is that it's the most affordable facial kit in today's entire video. It only retails for rupees 250, which is so affordable. Apart from all of these facial kits, I really love the O3 Plus bridal facial kit. I think it's an amazing facial kit for brides, and this is a facial kit that I tried out before I got married, and it really gave me good results. Like, it makes your skin glow to another level. So it's a really good facial kit, and you really should try it out. It also retails somewhere around or below 500 rupees. You can get it from Amazon. So yeah, those were all of my most favorite facial kits under rupees 500 that are affordable, that give you amazing results, that are all tried and tested by me, and you can get your facial done at home, at the comfort of your home, at such an affordable price. So do let me know if you happen to try out any of these facial kits, about your experience in the comment section. And if you have any other facial kits that you've used that really work for you, then also let me know that as well in the comments below. I would love to try out more products. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. You can subscribe to my channel, you can follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that it's a wrap for now. I will see you in my next one. Bye.